So I'm done screwing around with stupid grain drill because I'm just tired of it. It don't need to be cleaned out that good because we're gonna plant wheat and all the mud. I guess we're working. Are we? No. Wait a minute. Yeah, we're plugged in. I guess it's working, you just hardly see it. But, yeah. So I'm gonna let that battery on the charger to charge. I'm gonna move that grain drill up here out of the way. So that it can start drip drying. And then I'm going to take the square baler out and blow it off with the leaf blower. Looks good enough for my bedroom window. I mean, you'd frickin' spend days trying to wash all this mud out of here and everything, and it don't look too bad elsewise. Yeah, it don't look bad. Well, let me get this taken up to shop, and I'll grease it. You guys have seen me grease before, so, but you guys haven't seen me blow the baler off, so we'll do that. So I quit washing this thing because there's no good way to wash these darn openers out, and we're gonna be planting wheat, so ooh. Yeah, we're gonna be planting wheat, so it's like, why even waste my time with it? Take you that up there, I didn't even try to get, because there ain't no good way to frickin' get in there to wash the dang things out. So yeah, I'm tired and fed up with it. Stupid John Deere idea. Heck with this. It's raining. What the? Gosh darn it. Great. Just great. What a way for a Friday to go. Gosh darn it. Oh well. I shouldn't even have gotten out of bed. God give me at least half hour or so to blow this thing. What the? Oh. Give me half hour or so to. Oh. Stupid thing. Let me get all these shields opened up here and we'll see where we're at. Here's another design flaw of engineers being penny pinchers. See that hook right there where that is supposed to hook into? It don't come anywhere near it because of that stupid thing. Ah, heck with it. Oh. Maybe this one will open. Oh, come on. So it's about 20 minutes later, I got the stupid thing all greased. John Deere don't make a darn thing easy to grease on their drills. Crawl around under the floor and stretch over stuff to make yourself look like a freaking acrobat, and nothing easy. So I got the baler in here, got it all greased. You can see here on the knotters, it's greased. It's greased. And there's a grease fitting up under here. That got grease. Oh yeah, it got plenty of grease. Had to split the drive, the PTO to grease that one. Because like I said before, it likes to fall down. I get to swing the baler. So I get that one. I got this one over here for that wheel. None right there. I got that one there for the thrower. That one down there for the needle. And the same one down below right there. And I got this one up here. I got that one and the one down there. So if you guys want to see more videos on maintenance and greasing stuff, hit that red subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy.